There are times when app issues occur regardless of the app you're using. Some owners of the Samsung Galaxy S10 have reported that shortly after the Android 10 update, the screen of their devices turned black while they're watching videos. It's not easy to determine the cause because it may vary depending on the app used to play the video. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your phone's screen goes black while watching videos. First solution, force restart your phone, as it might be just a minor firmware issue. Assuming you are one of the Galaxy S10 owners who have recently updated their devices to Android 10, and then this problem started, it's normal to think that the new Android has messed up your phone. It is a very annoying issue, but it does not necessarily mean that it's a serious one. If everything was working fine prior to the update, then it's probably just a minor problem. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them together for 15 seconds. When the S10 logo shows, release both keys. Wait for your phone to finish the reboot. Once your phone has successfully rebooted, try playing the same video to see if the problem still occurs. Second solution, clear the cache and data of the video player. Regardless of whether you're using a pre-installed application or a third-party one to play the video, this must be the next thing that you have to do if the first solution failed to fix the problem. When it comes to apps, a reset means to clear the cache and data files. But you're not actually just deleting them, you're replacing them with a new set of files, and this will bring the app back to its default settings. Go to the screen where the app icon is located. Tap and hold on the icon until options show. Tap App Info. Touch Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now tap Clear Data and touch OK to confirm. After doing this, try to see if the screen still goes black when you play a video. Third solution, factory reset your device. A reset can always fix an app issue or even firmware problems that affect your device's performance. After the first two solutions, the next thing you should do is reset your device. If it's not an issue with the video or the app, then it must be with the firmware. Back up your files and then follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. We would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.